Hey guys, Vincent Wynn here for Slash Gear. I think it's fair and accurate to share with you that it's been going on over 10 years since I've been waiting for a proper keyboard from Apple for the iPad Pro. There are, again, numerous accessories out there that can do it. I mean, do the job of a keyboard for the iPad Pro. And, obviously this Apple Folio keyboard for the iPad Pro will get you through in a pinch. Emails, quick note, whatnot. But when you're typing out thousands and thousands of words on articles and reviews daily, it just doesn't cut it. I mean, the keys doesn't cut it. So with that, Apple this year released a Magic Keyboard. And the Magic Keyboard is supposed to elevate the iPad Pro into the realm of, I guess what we can say, into the realm of a laptop, if you will, but making it even more than just a laptop. And if you've read my review on the new iPad Pro, as well as the Bridge keyboard that I ran this week, then you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, I encourage you to visit slashgear.com and take a look at both of those reviews for yourself. So here is the box for the iPad Magic keyboard. This is for the 12.9 inch iPad. I'm happy to report that the keyboard will in fact work with the 2018 model of the iPad Pro as well. There we have it. Pretty simple packaging. I mean, just the initial weight, it doesn't feel all that heavier than, I mean, sure, it's maybe twice as heavier than the Folio keyboard, but it's not like the weight of a Bridge keyboard, for instance, the Bridge Pro. It feels lighter. It doesn't feel like it's that much more impactful on the overall weight of the whole set. So let's see here. This is the top, and it comes up, it's got a slight angle to it. So you've got this hinge here. It gives it a nice click a very satisfying click, in fact, when you come up to the right height. And then you've got this second hinge here where it will allow you to articulate the angle of the iPad. So how does it connect? Magnetically, of course. Everything Apple does is with a purpose, whether we agree with Apple or not. And then, of course, there are pins here to connect for charging, of course. And that's basically it right there. It's worth knowing there is a USB-C port here for charging only. And, I mean, yeah. It feels really good. I mean, I suppose this is about, I would say, half an inch that protrudes out versus, I would say, like a Folio, where it's a little bit more compact and it's a little bit friendlier size-wise for bags and messenger bags or a sling. But you know what? I think that's the price we pay for, in this case, the convenience of having a proper keyboard. Unlike the Bridge Pro Plus keyboard, the Bridge Pro Plus keyboard has a 1.5 centimeter travel, or throw key, if you will. The Magic Keyboard has a 1 centimeter, but it still feels very tactile. I mean, I wrote the entire iPad Pro review and the Bridge Pro review, which comes to about 5,000 words, on the Bridge Pro Plus keyboard and the Folio. So between those two, I'm kind of glad that the Magic Keyboard is here. I can't wait to do a full review for you on slashgear.com. Make sure you check it out when it's up, hopefully soon. And with that, I mean, look at that. That's not bad. The weight feels really balanced. I guess the other thing worth pointing out while I have you is the row of function keys are kind of missing. I mean, there's definitely room there, as you can see, when you open it up, but for whatever reason, it's not there. I would love for it to be there for just simple, quick access to volume, locking the iPad, brightness, and things like that. But anyways, we get what we get, and this is what we have. The other thing I do want to mention, the difference between the Magic Keyboard versus the Bridge Pro Plus keyboard is a trackpad. So you get 3-finger gesture, you get the ability to click anywhere within the trackpad, whereas on Bridge Pro Plus, you only get like the lower 80% of the trackpad being able to click. And additionally, any 3-finger gesture, not going to happen. Not because Bridge didn't implement it, it's mainly because iPadOS doesn't support it for third-party accessory at the moment. So for whatever reason, that's the case. How stable, I guess, and I guess how stable, how reliable is the Magic Keyboard? I mean, it's on there pretty good, right? I mean, I can't get it to come off just by violently shaking it. At this point, I would say, I mean, it's on there pretty good. The viewing angle isn't bad. A lot of times when I'm in a press conference, I use the iPad to shoot videos or pictures of the presentation. With the folio, that makes it really hard due to the angle. And it's just, you know, you get 2 fixed angles and that's it. Whereas with the Magic Keyboard, you can articulate this second pivot point to whether it's 90 degrees or coming down a little bit, like in this case. So as you're taking notes, you can also record the presentation. That for me is very useful to have in this keyboard. All right, hopefully that was a quick run through of the Magic Keyboard. And by the way, I'm recording this whole unboxing and first look on the new iPad Pro simply because it's got, or it's supposed to have, 4 new professional mics built in. So I hope the audio is pretty good on your side. So yeah, all right, Vincent for Slash here. Thanks again for watching.